Hi guys! So one of the fun things about playing so many different roles on television or movies are the fun, cute, different hairstyles. And today I'm gonna show you how to do some of my favorites. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button right there. Yes, yes! And you will not miss out on future episodes. So to help execute these styles, I have brought with me a guest, and this is Kendra. You might have seen her in some of my how to do hair tutorials already on Tia Mowry's Quick Fix.
Hi, my name is Charles.
The first look I want to do is, I feel like it is like the most iconic look out of all the looks that we're going to do today. It is a hairstyle from Sister. Okay, so I guess I'm already there with the curly hair, right?
We're gonna take her ponytail down.
Okay.
A tip for our curly hair girls, I used a bungee cord to put it up. An elastic band with 2 hooks. Shake it out.
Shake, shake, shake.
See if we have any rogue curls that we need to tame.
You know what? I actually have a little secret to tell you guys. My sister, she has a mole right here on her left cheek. It was much easier to add a mole than to hide a mole. So what they did was they would add one on me. And what they used to make the mole look real was black colored eyelash glue.
Oh, wow.
Cool, huh? And at the end of the day, when we were done shooting, I would just peel it off. All right, Kendra, let's do this.
Add a little curl spray gel to kind of wet it down.
Okay. It's important to wet your hair first,
Yes.
and then put the curl revitalizer or whatever cream that you're using for your curls
Yes.
on when your hair's wet.
But sometimes you're trying to get the look in a few minutes.
Yes.
So what you'll do is you'll get a hair dryer, and then you have the diffuser. What a diffuser will do is disperse the heat evenly. To get it going, you can scrunch it if you want.
I love my hair really big, especially when it's like curly. I always feel like the bigger the better.
Oh, your curls are so beautiful.
Thank you.
If you feel like it looks a little too dull, you can go in with the shine spray.
Oh, yes.
Most shine sprays are light and airy, so you can just spray it over the hair.
It smells so good too. When you dry it, you lose a little bit of that shine. So to put it back in, you just use the
Shine spray.
shine spray. All right, you guys, so we can't stop here. It would not be a sister moment if we did not have the hat. Kendra, do you mind doing the honors?
Of course. Thanks to our fabulous stylist, Judy.
Yes,
I said we need a sister hat.
and she found it on Amazon, right?
Yeah, she
That's
was like,
crazy.
say no more.
My gosh.
Ta-da!
I've never put a hat on like this in years. I'm not gonna say how many years because that'll date me.
I'm trying to think back. You didn't have a bang.
No, I didn't, so we should pull this all back, right?
Pull it all back. And we're
Okay.
just gonna.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God, wait a minute. My body, I just got tingles because this brought me way back to, that girl has my face. I had to. My sister and I, we were like lean forward like towards each other. We were like, oh, that girl has my face. And then I can't forget about this one. Wait, no. I can't say that line until we have the mole.
Oh, Anton!
Let's fly in Anton.
The mole is coming.
Okay.
The actual mole.
Okay, so it was
entering.
like a, I remember like maybe like right around
Yeah.
there.
Should we go over your little?
Freckle?
Yeah.
I remember it was a little close to the nose, but
okay,
it,
okay.
where is it?
Like maybe like halfway in between.
Perfect,
right
that's it.
here?
Okay, let's do it.
that.
Oh my gosh, you guys. My sister's gonna kill me.
Don't move. It's very serious.
Oh God, I'm trying so hard. Right now. You guys, like 25 years later, okay? I can't tell you how many times fans will come up to my sister and myself and they will ask us to say, "Go home, Roger." So I can't forget about another fan favorite. And when I say this is a fan favorite, it really is. Twitches. Ah! Go Twitches, go Twitches, go Twitches, go Twitches. This movie was so popular with so many people. I still have kids coming up to me today saying how much they love this movie because it keeps on repeating and repeating and repeating. The hairstyle that I had in this movie was straight hair with a headband on. And what's so funny about this is that was my hair throughout the whole entire movie. Now you guys, it takes weeks to film a movie. So I had the same hair and wardrobe for this entire shoot.
In the film industry, we use a lot of wigs. Time is very important. Time costs money.
It does.
And we all know that. So if the hair department, makeup department, the actress, if anyone is late or you're consuming time, they will come and stand over you.
They
like,
will.
Counting the money
How
and
many more
checking
minutes?
off like, okay, how many more
minutes?
minutes?
How many more minutes?
What you can do is prep a wig ahead of time. And then since Tia has naturally curly hair, I just kind of did a couple of plaits and little pop clips just to lay the hair down, going down to the back. And then we just put the wig on top.
And if you guys want to know more about how to put on a wig and the proper prep, you can definitely check out one of my videos that I shot with Kendra.
With this wig, we did not glue the hairline. This time we used her natural hairline. There are two things you can do.
Wait, this is a huge secret, you guys. Not a lot of people know this information, and this is what makes Kendra thebomb.com.
You can also use a colored wig cap. That's the same color as your skin. Pull it to the front, and then when you place the wig over, since this is kind of see-through, it'll look like the same color. But that's not what I did with Tia today. I parted her own hair. So you see her natural scalp coming through. Took some makeup that matched her skin tone and just lightly placed it down the hairline.
And on camera and even in person, this is what I feel like makes wigs just look so incredibly natural. And Kendra was the first one to introduce me to that technique. So in the movie, if you haven't watched it, I am a witch that happens to be a twin. So we definitely wanted to go for this kind of like gypsy vibe, not that gypsies are witches. What we did was we put a headband on my head.
So I'm gonna place the headband here and have Tia help me.
Okay.
Bring it down.
This is so funny, you guys. This is bringing back so many memories. Tamara and I, we loved filming this movie, mainly because I love all things magic. Twitches is basically twin witches together. And when we found out that we could actually play witches that had magical powers, my sister and I were so excited because we knew that there was gonna be like a lot of special effects going on in the movie. We had so much fun pretending like to do like magical spells and like going ding, and then something would magically disappear. It was just so much fun acting like behind green screens and all of that kind of stuff. Also, what's interesting is Twitches started out as a book series and the twins weren't black. So what was really, really cool was how Disney Channel, because that's where Twitches originally aired on, they ended up changing the characters to being African-American twins to, fit my sister and myself. And I thought that was just really, really cool to do. And it became so successful for the network that we ended up doing a Twitches 2. So this hairstyle is from Twitches 1, not Twitches 2.
And Twitches.
Yay! You know what else is really cool? I think a lot of fans will know who've watched the movie Twitches, is my sister and I, we were the ones that actually made up "Go Twitches, go Twitches, go Twitches." So whenever people see us on the streets, fans of the movie will, yell, "Go Twitches, go Twitches." I think we just started doing it like together, like automatically. It was just like a twin thing that we started doing. We were like in sync. We didn't even think about it. And we just started going, "Go Twitches, go Twitches." All right, you guys, so I cannot forget about my own show, Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. The most requested hairstyle came from my collard greens video. And it was this cute little hairstyle with two little buns on top of my head. Forever. Forever. You guys just love buns for some reason. I don't know, I think they're fun. They're cute,
they are
right?
fun, they're cute.
So, Kendra, you wanna help me out with this?
Sure. Need to part down the center.
You were the first one to introduce me to putting cute little buns in my hair. I remember the first time I did it was when I threw my son's birthday party. I had these cute little buns. We thought it would be, you know, fun and whimsical because he was turning 6. I had so much fun with that hairstyle and I got so many compliments, you know, they thought it was all cute. So I thought, why not do something else with cute little buns?
And once again, I like to use the bungee elastic bands because you get more control with trying to get all the hair up in one and not worrying about like stretching out the curls or getting it too fuzzy.
Also, I was told like if you have curly hair and then if you put your hair up all the time and wet and wrap it around really, really tight, sometimes that can break your hair off.
You can break it off.
And then other times it can stretch the curl pattern and you'll lose the curl pattern of the hair. So this helps with that.
Yes.
That's so cool.
Since Tia's hair has grown out quite a bit, we just take the extra hair and kind of twist it around in the ball. And I'm just securing some of the ends with the hairpin.
My daughter has like hair now, but not a lot of it. I was playing around with her hair the other day and I was like giving her baby hairs. Baby hairs and a baby.
I get it.
It was so cute.
One pom-pom is ready. We're gonna add the curl spray,
Okay.
again to this side.
Okay, so what does the curl spray do as opposed to just using like a regular leave-in conditioner?
Well, I use the curl spray since we already put a product on the hair earlier and it's
Okay.
dried in there. Sometimes when you keep applying the product, you get too much of a buildup and it's too heavy, it'll weigh the hair down. So the curl spray will reactivate what's in there. Already.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. You always want to kind of like refreshen your hair, but you don't want to do your hair all over again. Do you know what I mean? And so that would just kind of like, just boop, revitalize it a little bit.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll do the same thing on this side.
I would wear this hairstyle like on a weekend when I'm hanging out with my kids. You know, I just see myself as like this playful, fun mom, and this is just like a fun, playful hairstyle. So if I'm going to an amusement park, if I'm going to the park, even if I'm going to the grocery store and just doing errands with my kids, I would totally wear my hair like this. You know what excites me about doing these hair tutorials is when I see other people do these hairstyles on themselves and then they take photos and then they tag Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. Like that just makes me so happy. So I would love for you guys to try out these styles, even the sister ones. I think that'll be so much fun. And just send me a photo. I totally want to see it. So if you want to know how to get straight hair without any heat, make sure you check out my heatless blowout video. Just click the annotation right there and I'll see you over there. Bye guys.